In this video, I'll be showing you how to add song on Instagram profile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, adding a profile song to your Instagram account is the ultimate throwback to the classic MySpace days. So what you want to do is launch up Instagram on your iPhone or Android device, tap your profile character, which is on the bottom right, then look underneath your follower account metrics, and then you should see edit profile right under your bio. So just go ahead and click on that. Now scroll down the configuration directory panel until you have a row labeled music or add music to profile. So as you can see, I have a lot of different things, but it's going to be within banners where it says add music. So all I want to do is press the plus music icon. And then from here, what I can do is just search up any specific song that I'm looking for. So let's say I wanted like this one right here. All I'm going to do is choose that, press the check mark on it. And now as you can see, that music is now on. Now you can only have one song, so make sure it's the one you want. Now if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.